Are you concerned about your TikTok watch history and want to learn how to clear it? Then you came to the right place. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to delete your watch history on TikTok, ensuring your browsing habits remain private. The process is the same for both iOS and Android devices, and before we start with this video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Let's open the TikTok application and then tap on the little profile picture icon in order to go over to our TikTok profile. Once you get to your profile, you want to tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen and then open the Settings and Privacy option. Once we get to the TikTok settings, we want to find an option that's called Activity Center. Once we open that, we'll see 3 different settings. And since we want to clear our watch history, we're going to select that. Now in here, you're going to see a watch history of all the TikTok videos you've watched, and you can delete a specific video from this list by selecting it. Or if you want to delete the whole watch history and clear everything, you simply want to click on this Select All Watch History in the bottom left corner of the screen and then delete. Now your whole TikTok watch history will be deleted and no one will be able to see what you've watched on TikTok. So if you want more TikTok tutorials like this one, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. It would really help us out. Thanks for watching and see you soon.